Does investing feel confusing, like you need a finance degree just to start? You don't. And you don't need thousands either. In this video, I'll show you the simple, almost lazy strategy Warren Buffett recommends, and how to use it to invest your first $1,000. Let's begin. The secret to lazy investing is something called an index fund. Let's break it down. The most popular one tracks the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is just a list of the 500 biggest, most successful companies in America. Think of all the giants you know. Picking individual stocks is like betting on one single horse. If it loses, you lose. It's risky and requires a lot of research, but an S&P 500 index fund is like buying a ticket for the entire parade. When you buy it, you own a tiny piece of all 500 companies at once. If one company has a bad day, you have 499 others to keep you moving. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. So why is this the perfect way for you to start? For simple reasons. 1. It's diversified. You're not relying on one company. You own a piece of the whole economy. Instant safety. 2. It's low cost. These funds are run by computers, not expensive managers, so the fees are super low. This is critical because high fees silently eat your profits over time. 3. It's proven. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, the S&P 500 has a long-term historical average return of about 7 to 10% per year. That's the power of compound interest working for you while you sleep. And 4. It's simple. No stress, no constant checking of stock prices. You just set it up and let it run. It's the definition of lazy. Now for the part that seems scary, but I'll make it simple. Here is the exact process. You can follow along right after this video. Step 1. Choose a brokerage. You need a brokerage account. It's just an app or website to buy investments. Think of it as the store where you purchase your fund. For this example, we'll use a major, beginner-friendly one like Fidelity or Schwab. They have no account minimums and offer the features we need. Step 2. Open your account. You'll open an account on their website or app. They'll ask for basic info, your name, address, and social security number. It's exactly like opening a bank account online. It's secure and should take you about 10 minutes. Step 3. Fund your account. Next, you'll link your checking account and transfer some money. Here's the most important part. You do not need $1,000 to start. The goal is to build to $1,000. So let's start with a realistic amount like $200. Transfer that over. Step 4. Find the index fund. Now we find our lazy investment. We're going to use an ETF. It's a type of index fund that trades like a stock. In the search bar of your brokerage, type in a ticker symbol. A ticker symbol is just the short code, like a nickname, that every stock or ETF uses on the stock market. Think of it like a license plate for an investment. A great example is VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Other examples include IVV or SPY. For this walkthrough, we'll use VOO. Step 5. Place your order. Click the Buy button for VOO. For order type, select Market Order. Now, here is the game changer for new investors. Fractional shares. Look for an option that says Trade in dollars or fractional shares. This lets you buy $200 worth of VOO, even if one full share costs $500. You are still a full owner of that fraction. Type in your amount, $200. Review the order and click Submit. That's it. You are now an investor in the 500 largest companies in America. So, you've started with $200. How do you get to $1,000 and beyond? You make it even lazier by automating it. Set up automatic investments within your brokerage. You can schedule $50 or $100 to move from your bank account and automatically buy more of your ETF every single month. Now, you're not even thinking about it. The money comes out, buys more shares, and you're building wealth on autopilot. That is the truly lazy path. Your only job is to be patient. The market will go up and down. That is normal. Don't panic and sell when it's down. Think in years, not days. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Let's do a super quick recap. 1. The what? An S&P 500 index fund ETF like VOO. 2. The how? Open a brokerage, e.g. Fidelity, Schwab. Fund it by using dollar investing. 3. The secret? Automate monthly contributions and be patient. The biggest barrier is just starting. You don't need to be a genius, just consistent. Now for your mission. Your homework is to open that brokerage account this week. Just step 1. And I want to hear from you. In the comments, let me know which step you're on. Step 1, picking a brokerage. Step 2, funding my account. Or step 3, first trade done. Let's build a community and cheer each other on. If this guide helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps a ton. Thanks for watching. Now go get your first $1,000 invested.